Welcome to the world of Gemini, where deep research meets seamless document integration. Let's explore how Gemini can enhance your productivity and streamline your workflow. Gemini is your personal AI assistant, ready to help you navigate through tasks with ease. Say hello to a smarter way of working, where your needs are met with precision and efficiency. With Gemini, you can dive into deep research effortlessly. Just a click away, Gemini is here to assist you in gathering and analyzing information like never before. Uploading documents is a breeze with Gemini. Seamlessly integrate your files and let Gemini work its magic in organizing and synthesizing the data for you. Creating and outlining documents has never been easier. Gemini guides you through the process, ensuring your content is structured and impactful. Gemini helps you define and outline the best strategy for your lo-fi channel, providing value to your listeners and standing out in the crowd. Whenever you need help, just ask Gemini. It's always ready to assist you with any queries or tasks, making your work life smoother and more efficient. Gemini is always at your service, ready to assist you in any way possible. Whether it's research or document management, Gemini has got you covered. Dive into the Lo-Fi Channel Creation Guide with Gemini. It provides comprehensive insights and strategies to help you succeed in your creative endeavors. Gemini allows you to analyze and edit your research with ease. Tailor your findings and make informed decisions with the help of your AI assistant. Explore the strategies for creating a successful lo-fi channel with Gemini. It helps you research and implement effective techniques to engage your audience. Learn how to stand out and provide value with your lo-fi channel. Gemini offers strategic insights to help you build a unique and compelling presence. Gemini assists in laying the strategic foundation for your lo-fi brand. From aesthetics to content, it guides you in creating a cohesive and appealing channel. Conducting research alongside PDF documents is made simple with Gemini. Use it as a reference and synthesize information to create impactful strategies. Researching strategies for your lo-fi channel is streamlined with Gemini. It provides valuable insights and helps you craft a plan that resonates with your audience. Edit and start your research journey with Gemini. It empowers you to refine your strategies and embark on a path of discovery and innovation. Explore advanced engagement strategies for your lo-fi channel with Gemini. It helps you understand trends and implement techniques that captivate your audience. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and comment below.